डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब आंबेडकर ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी।
Good afternoon, students. I welcome you all at Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Open University, Jyotirmay Parishar, Chaitanya Studio. My name is Bijal Rawal, Assistant Professor Management. Today we are going to discuss on Principle of Management. Our subject code is MBA01 C101 and our topic is directing. First, we just go through with the outline. Introduction, then definition, nature of directing, importance of directing. As we know, in functions of management, direction represents one of the most essential functions. It deals with human relation. In every organization, once plan have been laid down, means planning. We plan for something to do. Then the structure has been designed. We structure that plan. Then the selections for individuals for various job profile means staffing. In past lecture, we had already discussed about staffing. How we staff someone and for various job profiles. Then direction start. Directing is a continuously occurring in all managerial function as well as the life cycle process. Assigning the right person on right place for the right task is not easy or enough. The more important is that the people must be directed on proper way for a particular task. In organizations, employees tend to become inactive, dull, or insufficient if they have not provide proper direction for a particular task. A manager can never stop directing, guiding, teaching, watching, and supervising their subordinates. In organizations, the main role is a manager. A manager can provide the appropriate task and appropriate guidance for that task. Definitions. Urich and Breach said, directing is the guidance, the inspirations, the leadership of those men and women that constitute the real core of responsibilities of the management. Knowles Donald say, directing is the executive functions of guiding and overseeing their subordinates. J.L. Massey said, directing concerns the total manner in which a manager influences the actions of his subordinates. It is the final actions of managers in getting the others to do all preparations have been completed. That all the definitions about directing. We have to assign particular task to particular person and given appropriate direction to achieve that goal. Natures of directing. Pervasive functions, its executive functions, then human factors, dynamic and continuous process, creative activity, delegate functions, flows from top level to bottom level, facilitate coordination, dual objectives, psychological factors. We will discuss in details. What is pervasive function? The meaning of directing is not only a functions of management, but exists in all organizational functions. The superior subordinates are set with the principle of guidance and inspirations. They have lot about to say how we will achieve our target. They have already designed the strategy to achieve their goals. Manager at all level in all functions area direct their subordinates. Top managers guide the middle and lower level managers. After that, executive functions. they have already designed the structure. The function is carried out by all executive and the managers at all level. Top level manager to bottom level manager execute the new strategy, new plans. Direction is an important function of the management. Without direction, management functions may come to standby. It is through direction the management initiate action in the organizations. It's a human factors. We all know without human we cannot do anything. Direction is a managerial function that deals with the people only. It is the process of motivate people to achieve the goal. It is important to create the humanist relationship between the people. We have to create a proper relationship with the top level management to lower level management. After that, the person who has already assigned the particular task, if he or she will understand and he or she will appropriate guidance, then and then only he or she will achieve their company goal as well as its personal goal. Dynamic and continuous process. Direction is a continuous activity as it continues throughout the lifelong or organizations. It is a continuous process. It goes on it and dynamic activities. Whenever any plan change, the techniques of directions will also change. As per the situations, the managers have to change their plans, the strategy. Nowadays, with changing time, we should also change our technique and plan to direct the person. It's a creative function. Direction makes things happen and convert plans into the performance, which all performance revolves. Without directions, humans in the organizations become inactive and consequently physical factors become inactive. If we will not provide the appropriate guidance to the person, they will become inactive. It's a delegate function. In any organization, directing is so complex. The manager has to assign tasks to the appropriate only when they have appropriate guidance or if they have appropriate person. He has ability to do the task on time. Flow from the top level to bottom level. Direction initiate at the top level in the organizations and flows to bottom through the hierarchy. Facilitate to coordinations. Every individual has to adjust and facilitate with their subordinates. They have to support each other. If it's a plan, if it's a strategy, or if it's a understanding. Superior also assign the task, and most important thing is coordination between the people in organization. Then and then only they can achieve that goal. Dual objectives. Direction helps to achieve the dual objectives of an organization. Dual objective means managers and subordinates have their different objectives. How effectively subordinates complete the given task and organization goal. That is more important, and that is possible just because of the people who has also the organization goal and the person who want to achieve personal goal as well as the organizational goal. Physical factors. Physical factor is important to find out the employee's potential. It is more important to consultations and discussions with the employees about what he actually wants from the organizations. Sometime in good directions can help the people. Not always money is important. The atmosphere and the subordinate understanding and lots of things will affect to that person. Importance of directing: initiate the action, create motivated workplace, give the guidance and instruction, effective communications, proper coordinations, effective utilizations of resources, increase the productivity, effectively integrated efforts, helps to accept changes, ensure goal achievements, and reduce the workplace conflict. We'll discuss in detail. Initiate actions, what it means. A good plan may have been prepared. We had already prepared an appropriate plan. Create a sound organizations may have been developed and team of efficient workers may be employed. Guidance clarifies other managerial duties as well as the preparations, all preparations by our hand will done. But if they have not proper coordinations, then we will not complete our task. Some management functions are made obsolete without the supervision. Supervision is more important in any task or any organizations. Without proper directions, planning, organizing, and staffing, it will become inefficient or inactive. Create motivated workplace. Employees are motivated to work effectively and efficiently through the process of directing. Direction helps staff to work more effectively. Staffs and adds in this proper atmosphere, healthy workplace, healthy environment, then and then only they will work properly. Give guidance and instruction. Every guidance and instruction must be reasonable, clear and complete, so they can easily understand how the task will complete on proper time. Effective communication is more important. Communication is an important part of direction. Effective communication with all level management can help to improve the manual understanding. Proper coordination, it's also important. Directing design and continuous supervisions of employees' activity. Two ways of communication is hard in direction. The manager will explain the plans and the process to the employee as well as the expected result from their side. On time, they will expect from the person. Effective utilizations of resources. Effective utilizations of resources can be helpful for both employees as well as the managers. Ensure that the employees have enough work to make their role responsible and successful way. On the other side, the scope, it can also stop overworking and the tension, providing a more balanced work life overall. Increase productivity. Through the directions, managers encourage and influence the employee to contribute to the best of their capability to achieve organizational objectives as well as the personal goal. Effective integrated efforts. Directing integrates employees' efforts in such a way that every individual's effort contributes to the organizational performance. The activities and the work of the employees across an organization are integrated towards achieving the objectives designed by the management. Help to accept changes. We are ready to accept changes. Directing can help to introduce the changes in an organization. It helps to direct person and directing the proper guidance effective communication with the subordinates, and positive changes we can see. Ensure the goal achievements. Directing helps an organizations to create a good balance between the organization and the personal achievements or goal. People work hard to complete given task. After the achievement, expect rewards or appraisal from the management. Reduce the workplace conflict. We also think to reduce the workplace conflict. Additionally, setting a standard of good communication will have a positive impact on the way employees communicate with each other. If the person will communicate easily with the managers or the top level management, they can share their problems with them, and that way we will reduce the workplace conflict by the understanding both person. Many conflict can be avoided by the employees being on the same page about what they are doing. We had discussed importance of directing. We will meet again with some new topics. Till then, thank you.
स्वाध्यायः परमः